Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. I'm going to start one series where I will be explaining JavaScript key or concepts within 2 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So in this video I will be explaining array.includes method. So here on the code we have one code snippet. So if you see, I have created one array with some string values over there, and here I am creating one variable to store the return of array.includes method. So basically whenever we want to search anything and to check whether that particular keyword exists on the array or not, at that time we can make use of array.includes. It returns boolean value. This is case sensitive. That means if you see, I am here checking John if it is exist on the array or not, but if I change this value, okay, from capital to small, it won't work. So let's see with example. So here I am opening my console. So you can see, since John exists on the array, we are getting true value. If suppose I change the case of this, so, and save it, so we will get false. So this is case sensitive. So now since John exists on the array, we are getting true value. If we provide any random value over here, we will get return as false. Okay, so instead of looping through for loop, we can use this array.includes method to check whether that particular keyword exists on the array or not. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to support my channel, subscribe to my channel, and support this playlist. Thank you.